Did you know that the first high-level programming language was created in 1957? It's called Fortran, short for Formula Translation, designed for scientific and engineering calculations. Fortran allowed programmers to write code that could be understood more easily compared to machine language. Before this, most programming was done in assembly, requiring a deep understanding of a computer's inner workings. Fortran's creation marked a turning point in making programming more accessible and efficient. It was so successful that it's still used today for tasks like weather forecasting, financial modeling, and even some supercomputing applications. Who knew math and history could go hand in hand?